Can I use multiple PS4 discount codes on one purchase?
Hey there! In this video, we'll be discussing an important question for PlayStation 4 gamers. Can you use multiple PS4 discount codes on one purchase? Let's dive right in.
What are PS4 discount codes?
PS4 discount codes are special promotional codes that can be used to obtain discounts on games, DLCs, and other content from the PlayStation Store. These codes are typically given away during special events or promotions.
Can I use multiple discount codes on one purchase?
The short answer is no. The PlayStation Store only allows you to apply one discount code per transaction. This means that you cannot combine multiple discount codes to get a larger discount on a single purchase.
Are there any exceptions?
There are no exceptions to this rule in the PlayStation Store. However, sometimes bundles or special promotions may offer multiple discounts on different items in the same purchase. But these offers don't require you to input multiple discount codes.
How can I make the most out of my discount codes?
To maximize the value of your discount codes, it's a good idea to prioritize using them on more expensive items or those that you've been wanting for a long time. You can also wait for sales events and use your discount codes to get even better deals on the items you want. So, unfortunately, you cannot use multiple PS4 discount codes on one purchase. Remember that you can only apply one discount code per transaction. However, you can still make the most out of your discount codes by using them strategically. Happy gaming!